Hello everybody, how's going? Today I will teaching you how to create a Telegram account without phone number. So the first thing you need to know, it's impossible to create a Telegram account without phone number, but what you can do to create a Telegram account without your phone number, okay, using another phone number, using a fake phone number, is this, okay? This is a trick. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser, okay, any browser you want, Google Chrome, Opera GX, Firefox, okay, any browser you want. And after that, in the browser you choose, you need to searching for phone number generator, okay? And here you see many sites with phone number generators. You can use a fake number or generate a fake number, a temporary phone number, okay? So you choose the site you want and go to create your Telegram account with that phone numbers here, okay? In that sites here. So I hope it can help you to create your Telegram account without your phone number. If you like, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. See ya!